Meaning of feverfew.
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 Feverfew. Feverfew is a medicinal herb that is commonly used for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. It is often used as a natural remedy for headaches, migraines, arthritis, and menstrual cramps. The active ingredients in feverfew are believed to help reduce inflammation and prevent the constriction of blood vessels in the brain, which can lead to migraines. While research on the effectiveness of feverfew is somewhat limited, some studies have demonstrated its potential benefits for headache and migraine sufferers. However, more research is needed to fully understand the therapeutic effects of feverfew.